Hi everyone! I'm Zoe Clarke, Customer Training Specialist at RosterElf. I'm excited to share a quick way for small businesses to replicate entire rosters and save heaps of time. How to prepare shifts to copy. Add your required shifts for the day. This step sets up the shifts you want to replicate. Double-check your entries. This ensures all details are correct before copying. How to copy shifts. Click on the source day with the shifts you want to copy. This selects the day's schedule in one go. Choose the option to copy all shifts. This action stores the entire roster for easy pasting. How to paste shifts to a new day. Click on the target day. This tells RosterElf where to place the copied schedule. Confirm the changes to paste all shifts. This completes the replication process. Edit any newly pasted shifts if needed. This lets you make last-minute adjustments. Thanks so much for watching. If you need any help, our friendly support team is always ready to assist. Happy rostering!